In this brand new video today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can build your own entire e-commerce empire completely for free without spending any money on a domain, hosting, or any products, any upkeep. You don't need to pay for Shopify. It's all completely free. If you think about it, you don't have to spend $2,000 plus from your local company to design an e-commerce store. You can do it completely for free if you know where to look. In this video, I'm going to reveal everything to you and how you can make over $200 to $1,000 per day with your own e-commerce empire. Let's go. So I just quickly want to show you this e-commerce store in my own country that I know uses this strategy. So over here, take a look at this. They've got an e-commerce empire with hundreds of different electronic products, laptops, desktop computers, printers, scanners, storage, software, CCTV products, PC components from power supplies to gaming keyboards, daily deal like a special page, TVs and other electronics as well. Now this website doesn't have a single item in stock. It's the best business model, one of the best business models around. It's crazy. So they can sell all these products without having these products on stock. They don't need to pay for overhead. They don't need to pay for a factory to produce these products or to store these products. They're literally selling through suppliers and other people a huge markup. And they made this store completely for free. So the platform that we're going to be using is this platform over here. This is a tool where you can literally import done for you online stores at the click of a button, and I'm going to show you free plugins where you can literally import done for you products to your store as well, ready to sell and all automated for you. So all you need to do is, there's 2-3 steps that we need to do to set this up. Come over to woocommerce.com, just read through it, and then when you're done, I want you to search on Google free hosting. Search the term free hosting. Come over to this website over here, freewebsitehosting.com. Click on sign up for free. So hosting is basically a platform where you can register a domain and host a website online. This platform hosts your website for free. You don't need to spend anything and you just need to enter your own domain. So you can use your own domain or register your own freedomain.com. So you can register a .com domain. Otherwise, what you can do is you can just go to this website here, Freenom. It's called Freenom over here, a free name for everyone. You can actually register free.tk domains on this website. Once you've registered a domain, so find a free domain. Let's just go online PC store sa.tk. Just click on check availability over here. So for example, this is available. You can check it out completely for free. Once you've got this domain and you've got it for free, you don't spend anything. You just enter like your name and email so that your domain is registered. Come back to freehosting.com, enter that same domain as here. So you just go, I will use my own existing domain. You just type that same domain, my domain, and you just go TK. You click on use over here and your free hosting will be signed up. So I already use a hosting package on A2 Hosting. It's exactly the same. I just pay for it, but I'm giving you the free one because I don't want you to spend any money. So then all you're going to do is once you've registered your free hosting, you're going to log in with your account, which will look something like this. Here you can see my web hosting product over here. You want to look for anything that says cPanel login. You want to click on that and you want to log in the cPanel dashboard of your domain. So you can see over here, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And you want to click on WooCommerce over here. Otherwise, if there's no WooCommerce option, click on WordPress over here and you can install WordPress over here. So just click on install. You want to type in your same domain that you've now installed WordPress on. Click on install. And then what you want to do is you want to come over to a new tab, type in your domain. This is after you've installed WordPress.com/WP-admin. That's WP-admin. It will then take you to your dashboard that looks like this. You need to come over to plugins over here, click on add new. It will take a couple of seconds to load. And you just want to search on the search bar over here, WooCommerce, click on enter. And over here you will see, we're just waiting for this to load up. Here's the WooCommerce plugin over here. So you need to just click on install. It will look like an install button like this. Mine's already installed and you will then have a done for you e-commerce store. Then what you want to do is you want to do this. You want to come over to appearance, click on themes over here, and we're going to import a done for you WooCommerce theme. So you just want to click on search over here. You want to click on add new theme over here. Click on add new theme and you want to search over here WooCommerce. you want to search a WooCommerce theme. So over here you can see I've now filtered by e-commerce, and there are tons of done for you online store templates that you can import at the click of a button. So over here, quite a nice one I usually use is the Signify e-commerce. You can actually preview it, click on it, you can see all your sub pages and your headings and that over here. So over here you just want to click on install, and you want to install this theme to your WordPress account. Once that's done, click on activate over here, and your theme will now be activated. Now that your theme is done, you'll actually see if I go to my website, it takes me to my store that is now made. So obviously this is just, I still need to make this. You've got your own checkout, your account, but what you want to do is come back to your dashboard, and this is where the magic happens. Come back to plugins over here, click on add new, and you want to type the word drop ship. Over here you can see is a free tool where you can drop ship an automatic fulfillment for AliExpress and WooCommerce. There's also one for Amazon, and you can actually list products on your own store as an Amazon affiliate. So all you want to do is you want to install this over here. Just click on install on this plugin over here, and then click on activate. Here you can see on the left is your WP Amazon shop. So all you want to do is you just want to go for affiliate marketing. Select this for affiliate marketing. The buy now label says buy now, and you want to go products imports over here. Click on product imports. You then want to come over to the Amazon affiliates portal over here. Just click on Amazon affiliates or Amazon Associates Central, and over here you want to sign up as an Amazon affiliate. You can just use United States or select your country over here. If you're not in any one of these countries, I'm in South Africa, I just selected United States, and I got a US virtual phone number just to get my number verified, and you can actually sign up on the Amazon Associates accounts in a country that's not supported as well, so you can do that. Once you've done that, you will get your own what you call an Amazon Affiliates Associate tag. Paste that over here, and once you've done that, click on basic imports over here, and you just want to select all departments over here, and you want to find a keyword to import products. So all you can do is, what you can do is you can go, for example, keyboard, click on search products over here, and this tool will load up all the products from Amazon to your own store. So you can go, for example, the Logitech keyboard, go click import to WooCommerce, and we'll literally import this done for you product on Amazon that's already selling on your own store. So now if I click on view, take a look at this. Here you can see the Logitech mouse and keyboard, and when people click on add to cart over here, it adds the product to your cart. Click on view cart over here, and people can then check out and pay you for this product. Now what you can go and do is you can add markup on these products. So instead of $24.99, you can go and charge, let's say $35.99, and you make $9 a sale. You can literally create an entire e-commerce store like this off of Amazon with thousands of products, add your markup. You can literally get your store to deliver automatically through Amazon. They do all the deliveries, all the hard work. You're literally keeping money as the man in the middle. And do note how I didn't spend a single cent in creating the store. I literally created this now in front of you without taking my card out, spending any money. So it's free. Here it is, free and easy to do. So I would suggest save this video to your watch later list so you can watch this again later and understand how to build the store while you build your store, so that you can rewatch this video. And guys, if you want to create your own profitable e-commerce empire and scale to the moon with my winning drop servicing Google Ads combo that personally generates me anywhere between $15,000 and $30,000 a month, running ads on my stores like this, also selling services on top of products, come over to the first link in the description. There will be an entire free training for you on the 6-figure drop servicing university program, which is a 57 in-depth intensive training course that is one-on-one mentoring, lifetime mentoring with me, that will teach you exactly how I build my successful drop servicing stores. I personally made over $228,000 in 2020 using the info from this course. This course contains very high valuable and sensitive information that has taken me years to put together. You'll see over here, I show all my proof, straight to the point, straight to work in the office, no flexing Lambos or houses or anything like that. If you want to go and join something like this and really take a course that I believe is honestly better than most university degrees, come over to the first link in the description and I'll see you over here. But what I'll also do is, guys, I'll just leave a video for you on the screen over here if you want to go and click on that, or it's a playlist about drop servicing. If you want to go and read more about this on YouTube, I've got a couple of more vague videos over here on this playlist that will teach you some insights into drop servicing, which you can then go and join this program over here. So you can go, for example, to the checkout over here, enter this code on this website over here. So you'll see this code says launch 1670. You just want to come over, you'll see this checkout will take a couple of seconds to load up. It connects through via PayPal. You can also pay via Bitcoin as well. I'm in the process of getting a direct card payment as well. And you just want to click on launch 1670 and take a look at this. It will take the discount all the way down to $294 for lifetime access. You get over $19,000 worth of bonuses included over here. Just come and read through this as well. And you also get a done-for-you drop servicing agency, which generated me $98,000 in 2020, given to you in this course to help you and get you kickstarted with making your sales. So come over to the first link in the description and you can claim all of this.